16 multiplied by 0, 5. So 5 6 are 30. Put 0, balance 3. 1 5s are 5 plus 3. We will get what? 8. Okay. Now multiply with 0. All the number will be 0. 0 into 6, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Now add it. 0 here, 8 plus 0, 8. Then bring the 0 down. We got 0, 8, 0. So the answer we have taken 80, right? Now the answer is given already, but we have to put the decimal point. Now in this we have to count the both the side in the question. We have after the decimal point, before the decimal point from right, we have one number here, and this side also one decimal place. 1 plus 1, 2 decimal place. In the answer we have to count the 2 decimal place before the decimal point. 1 2. So we have counted 1 2. So we will put the decimal point here. So the answer 0.80. 0.80. This is the answer for the second sum, right? Okay. Now let us move to section B. The question says find the product. Find the product. Here we have to multiply and get the product and put the decimal point. Now the question 0.1 into multiplied 1.1. So the answer I have already done for you. I will explain. When you multiply it, take as a whole number 0 1. Okay, 1 1. Multiply now 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, right? So again 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, right? If you multiply with 0, all number will be 0, right? So now put the answer 1, bring it down, 0 plus 1 1, then bring the 0 down. So 0 1 1. This is the product. Okay, so write the product in the given place. But when it comes to putting the point, decimal point, as I told you, count the number from the right side. Here one decimal place, here one decimal place. So 2 decimal place. So the answer 1 2. So count 2 number for 2 decimal place and put the decimal point here. So the answer is 0.11. 0.11. This is under B section. Find the product. I have done for you one sum. Other sums are very easy. So the rest is your homework. Let us move to section C. Let us move to section C. This is multiply. The question is multiply. Okay. Listen carefully, students. Number 1 sum. Let us see number 1 sum given as 5.2 multiplied with 2.1. 5.2 multiplied with 2.1. Okay. First step we have to multiply, right? Okay. As we multiply, we will count the decimal place first. Here how many decimal place we have? From right side before the decimal point 1, and this side also 1. So totally 2 decimal place. Now multiply it as a whole number. We have to multiply 52 multiplied with 21. So 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, then 1 5s are 5, right? Now again 2 into 2 4, 2 into 10, 2 into 5 10. So 104. Now add it to 5 plus 4, 9. Bring the 0 down and the 1 down as it is. So 1092, 1092 the answer. But we have to write the decimal place for this. How many decimal place we have counted? 2 decimal place. So count the 2 decimal place in the answer. 1, 1, 2. So after the 9 put the decimal point, then write 0, 1. This is the answer. We have to multiply. By multiplying we got the answer. Understand, students? Here also I have written it very clearly. I will explain. 5.2 into 2.1. So count the decimal place both the side. We got 2 decimal place. Now multiply the given sum as a whole number. We got the answer 1092. In this, how to write the decimal place is count. We got the 2 decimal place, right? So from right side count 2 decimal place. 1, 2. So before 9 put the decimal place and write the rest of the number 0, 1. So when we read it, answer is 10.92. 10.92 is the answer. This is for section C, multiply. Now let us go to exercise 6.14. 6.14. Okay. The question is solve this story sums. Solve this story sums. I will do for you number 2 first. Listen the question carefully. This is the word sum. Let us listen carefully, which means the story sum. Suraj saves 8.75 rupees every week. How much money will he save in 10 weeks? In every week Suraj saves 8.75. Got it? We are going to find out for 10 weeks how much he saves. Okay, now just for your understanding I have put stars since it's a story sum. Every week Suraj saves how much? 8.75. We have to find out for 10 in 10 weeks how much he saves. So now we have to multiply as a whole number. Leave the decimal. Now write as a whole number. 875 multiplied with 10. So any number you multiply with 0 will become 0. So 5 into 0, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 7, 0, 0 into 8, 0. Now multiply with 1. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 8, 8. Now add it. 5 down, 0 down. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. And 8 as it is. So 8,750 rupees. Right? In decimal we have to write it. Now what we have to do, as I told you before, we have to see the decimal place. In this question, how it is given? Before the decimal point, count from the right side. 1, 2. 2 decimal places. In the answer, count the 2 decimal places. 0 and 5 we have. Okay. 1, 2. So before the 5, put the decimal point. So when we write the answer, in 10 weeks, Suraj saves rupees 87.50. 87.50 rupees. 87.50 rupees he saves in 10 weeks. Got it, students? Okay.